Welcome to the Attracting Money Meditation, a transformative journey where we will harness the power of abundance to manifest wealth and opportunities in our life. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any tension or stress. As we embark on this meditation, let us first set our intentions for abundance and prosperity. Manifesting wealth is not just about money, it's about creating a life of abundance in all areas, including finances, relationships, health, and overall happiness. Take a moment to connect with your deepest desires for wealth and success. Begin by bringing your awareness to the present moment. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you, anchoring you in the here and now. Take a deep breath in, drawing in the abundant energy of the universe, and as you exhale, release any doubts or fears about attracting wealth. Visualize yourself surrounded by a shimmering golden light, radiating with abundance. See this light expanding outward, filling the space around you with limitless possibilities. Know that you are worthy of abundance in all of its forms, and allow yourself to receive it fully. Now, let us set our intentions for manifesting wealth. Take a moment to reflect on your financial goals and aspirations. What do you wish to achieve? How will abundance enhance your life and the lives of those around you? Allow these intentions to fill your heart with excitement and anticipation. Repeat the following affirmations silently or aloud after me, infusing them with conviction and belief. Ready? I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Money flows effortlessly and abundantly into my life. I am worthy of abundance in all of its forms. I attract opportunities for financial success with ease. My bank account is overflowing with wealth and abundance. Feel the energy of these affirmations resonating within you, aligning your thoughts and beliefs with the vibration of abundance. Trust that the universe is conspiring to fulfill your desires and remain open to receiving its blessings. Now let us visualize our ideal reality of wealth and abundance. Imagine yourself living the life of your dreams, surrounded by luxury, success, and fulfillment. See yourself achieving your financial goals with confidence and grace. Picture your bank account overflowing with money, your investments multiplying exponentially, and your financial worries melting away. Envision yourself living in your dream home, driving your dream car, and traveling to exotic destinations whenever you desire. As you immerse yourself in this visualization, engage all of your senses. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. Hear the sound of laughter and celebration. Smell the sweet scent of success in the air. Allow yourself to fully experience the joy and abundance of this moment. Now take a moment to express gratitude for the abundance that already exists in your life. Reflect on all of the blessings that you have received, both big and small. Feel appreciation flowing through every cell of your being. Give thanks for your health, for your loved ones, for your talents and abilities, and for the opportunities that have come your way. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to even greater abundance. So cultivate it daily and watch miracles unfold in your life. Now, let us affirm our power to manifest wealth and abundance. Repeat the following affirmations with confidence and conviction. I am the creator of my reality, and I choose abundance. I have the power to attract wealth and success into my life. I am deserving of all of the riches and the blessings the universe has to offer. Every day, in every way, I am becoming richer and more prosperous. I am grateful for the abundance that flows freely into my life. Feel the truth of these affirmations resonating within you, activating your subconscious mind to attract wealth and abundance effortlessly. Know that you are a powerful co-creator of your reality and that you have the ability to manifest your deepest desires. As we conclude this meditation, take a moment to bask in the energy of abundance that surrounds you. Know that you are always connected to the infinite abundance of the universe and that wealth flows to you effortlessly and abundantly. Carry this feeling of abundance with you throughout your day, knowing that you are a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Trust in the process and power of manifestation and remain open to receiving the blessings that are coming your way. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your body, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me on this journey of manifesting wealth and abundance. May the energy of abundance continue to flow freely into your life, bringing you joy, prosperity, and fulfillment. Remember, you are the master of your destiny, and the universe is always conspiring to support you in manifesting your dreams. If you enjoyed this meditation, kindly like and subscribe for more like this. Until next time, be well, my friend.